You want to bring flat irons, you want to bring your makeup, you want to bring... Welcome back to my channel. It's Shannay, and in today's video I'll be telling you guys about what I brought with me to basic training. You don't need to overdo it. Don't overdo it because you're gonna regret it. Let's get into it. You want to make sure that you have all of the necessary things, like all of the important documents. Like if you don't have your contract, where are you going? If it's raining, put it in a Ziploc bag. If it's snowing, even if it's sunny, you need to put it in a Ziploc bag and make sure it's safe. Okay, your recruiter is gonna give you a whole bunch of stuff is going to be in there, things that you don't even know. In that Ziploc bag, I have a copy of my ID, social security card. If you need a copy of your birth certificate, shoot, I don't know, anything. I just put copies in there just in case. Okay, and with all of that, what you're going to need is $20 cash. Yeah, $20, that's enough. This is the same exact bag I brought with me to basic training. And holding it right now, ugh. Nah. But you can see I put my name on it right here, my last name. Do that so that you know, because everybody's gonna have that bag. Their recruiter's gonna give it to them. After you sign your contract and stuff, they normally give you like water bottles and the bag and like shirts, stuff like that. So yeah, my recruiter gave this to me, and I'm pretty sure everybody that you're gonna be there with, they're gonna have the same bag. Put your name on it somewhere that is visible and so that you know it's yours. You need a change of clothing, right? Top and bottom. You need 2 tops and 2 bottoms. Okay? Bring 5 pairs of underwears. And keep it simple and cute. Ladies, no lace. White, black, or brown. In the bra part, keep it sports bra. Bring 1 special bra for like graduation and stuff though. Not no bright color, not pink, not blue, not green. Keep it black or like a nude color, something that matches skin complexion. I brought one of these with me. Here I put, please bear in mind, these are not the same things that I brought to basic with me. Toothbrush, deodorant, travel size, a razor. I got hand sanitizer, toothpaste. This one isn't new. Q-tips. You want to make sure you have body wash, Listerine, lotion, shampoo and conditioner. They have the little ones. You can easily go pick those up at Target, but don't overdo it. Get the travel size one. Each item that I had fit in this. Okay, now you need a washcloth. You see all these combs in my head? Yeah, these are the only combs you can bring. This one for my natural hair girls that you need to like detangle, yeah, when you wash your hair on Sundays or whatever. This comb, what would you use this for? This not sharp enough to part it with, and this part is not sharp enough to part it with. So why you need this one? It's cute. Bring it with you if you want it. This one is very precise. You can part with this, get a straight line. You want a center part, or a slick back bun. Or even to get your part straight for your cornrows, your braids. This works. Now this one. This is the bigger version of this. If you want to bring all 4 of them, be my guest. Go ahead, do it. But you see what you cannot bring. I don't even think I have one of those anymore. I had it, I brought it, and they took it away from me and they threw it out in the garbage. Right in front of my eyes, just like that. Took it from me. Oops, can't have that. Garbage. Trash. Nah. For real. Do not bring a comb with any iron in it, because that's a weapon. Do not bring anything that just look dangerous. Guys, do not bring no picks, because you're not going to have any hair to pick anyways. Brush like this, a clean one. You can tell that it's like a couple years old. Gets the job done. Slick back. You get the point. It's not a salon. You're not going to bring no flat iron, no curling iron, no hot comb. No, it's crazy. Don't bring no wigs. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I say this all the time. On Sundays, personal time. Yeah, you get personal time, and you get to wash your hair. You get to do all the stuff that you need to do to prepare for the week. Take care of yourself. Take care of your hair still, because it's dirty. You're going through a lot. You're sweating, and you're doing a lot. So you're gonna wash your hair, and there's no blow dryer to blow dry your hair, so wash it early. You need to have a Sharpie for reasons like that. For reasons like this. Your name. Put in your name on your clothing. And some people like to steal. I don't like thieves. Permanent marker. Pens and pencils. Of course, you're gonna get the chance to buy that, but if you need a pen to write with something, to sign a document or whatever, always have a pen on you. I'm gonna take it to the PX They're gonna make you buy a whole bunch of stuff. And if you can get this for cheaper, get it, okay? It's a watch. It needs to be black or army green. Preferably get it from Walmart. I'll try to put a picture up of what I got. And I was able to wear my watch instead of like buying one. Because the ones that they want you to buy, probably $50. Because it says Go Army on it. Don't do it. Go to Walmart, go to your nearest pharmacy. Like I said before, get a like little cheap watch. Make sure you can clearly see the time on it. One that has an alarm clock. Slept with my watch on. One that's waterproof. Keynote. My watch had a flashlight on it because I was fancy, and it was in regulations for me to wear. Although they do give you $300 to spend at the PX to get your necessary stuff, but that $300 is still coming out of your paycheck. That $300 is still your money. So if you don't want to spend all of it, the remaining balance will go to your next paycheck. Now you need stamps. Get as many stamps as you can get. If you're a person who's gonna be writing a lot of letters, you need to get a lot of stamps, because not that they're gonna charge your arm and a leg, they're gonna limit you with how many stamps they could give you, because everybody there wants stamps. And everybody's getting like 10 stamps. We don't want that, because that's 10 people. That's 10 letters. I was writing letters nightly, like stamp, send it out. I sent out a lot. I was writing letters to my mom daily. She probably had like 20 letters from me. Yikes. These locks. A little story time if you care to hear about it. I'm gonna tell you anyways. Skip past this part if you don't want to hear it. I had no idea. I know you're probably wondering, girl, how is that even possible? I had no idea how to use one of these locks. No idea. Couldn't use it, didn't know how to. It's a master lock, of course. If you've probably never seen one of these, study on YouTube or Google or wherever. If somebody you know how to use it, ask them how to teach you. Because me, I learned my night in reception. I didn't know that I had to use one of these. This thing right here is a key to your life. It's open. I called to somebody that I knew, and I was like, can you teach me how to use this, because I'm gonna need to know how to use it, and I don't know how to use it. Oh my gosh, help me out. Like, I'm used to the simple lock and key. You lock it up, put the key in there, turn it, it opens, boom, which is great. Get 2 of these locks that has the same code, okay? You're gonna put this on your locker, you're gonna put this on your bags, you're gonna put this on every single thing that you can close to be safe. Bring one from home, and they're gonna make you pick up 2 when you get at the PX, okay? Perfect. Now moving on. Bring a small book with you. I mentioned this previously in one of my other videos. My basic training story time. I think it was part 2. I'm not too sure. It's a 3-part series, so go check out one of those videos because I know I said it. Even when not in uniform, we're always a soldier. It's Memorial Day, and in the US, we celebrate Memorial Day for people who served in the military, the ones who passed away while serving. And I like to give like a moment of silence, you know. Damn, she's good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? Don't forget to share it with somebody you know who might be going to basic training, who might be going away for training, who might be going anywhere for training. Yeah. You got this far to this video. You're a real one. Because some of these people need to be clicking and exiting. Anyways, bye. What's the hype? This is something like